Kemp Surname Meaning and History presented by COADB.com. Surname meaning: it is an English, Scottish, Dutch, and North German status name for a champion, a professional fighter who fought on behalf of another, derived from the Middle English and Middle Low German word Kemp, which corresponds to the Old English and Old Norse word meaning warrior. Early bearers included Edmund Kemp in Norfolk in 1099, Alan Kemp in Suffolk in 1273, William Kemp of Oxfordshire in 1273, and Richard and John Kemp in Yorkshire in 1379. Knighthoods included Sir William Kemp, Sheriff of Kent. He died in 1505. Sir Thomas Kemp, Knight of the Bath in 1501. Sir Thomas Kemp of Wye in Kent in 1546. And another Sir Thomas Kemp of Wye in 1603. Sir Nicholas Kemp of London, Justice of the Peace in 1617. And there was Sir Albert Edward Kemp, a Canadian businessman, politician, who was made Knight Commander of the Order of St. Michael and St. George in 1917. Noble titles held: the Kemp Baronetcy of Gissing in the county of Norfolk was a title in the Baronetage of England created in 1642 for Sir Robert Kemp, gentleman to the bedchamber of King Charles I. The Kemp Baronetcy of Pentlow in the county of Essex was a title in the Baronetage of England created in 1627 for Sir George Kemp. George Kemp was a British politician and soldier and businessman who was raised to the peerage as Baron Rochdale in 1911. Pentlow Hall, County Essex in England, one of the family estates, as well as Spain's Hall in County Essex, England. Notables included Harold Kemp, born 1795, a architect. Thomas Reed Kemp, born 1782, an English property developer and politician. Harold Kemp, who lived in the 16th century, was an English actor and dancer specializing in comedic roles, best known for having been one of the original stage actors in early dramas by William Shakespeare. Barbara Kemp, born 1881, was a German soprano and opera singer. And Boulevard E. Kemp, born 1881, was an attorney and member of the United States House of Representatives for Louisiana's 6th Congressional District. Early settlers included Thomas and William Kemp in Virginia in 1618, Anthony and Margaret Kemp in Virginia in 1624, William Kemp in Massachusetts in 1623, Edward Kemp in the same state this following year, Thomas Kemp, Maryland in 1651, and Johann Wilhelm Kemp in New York in 1733. And if you enjoyed this video, please visit us at coadb.com, where we offer genealogy research. Link in the description. Thank you very much.